Hello, everyone. It's me, Sonia, and I'm back once again with an amazing product that you will absolutely love. Welcome back to my channel, Multidimensional Products, where I bring you the best in products for all your need. Today, I'm going to introduce you to something that will totally change your ice-making game and make your summer drinks even more refreshing. So, let's dive into today's review. Today, we're talking about the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. This little powerhouse is here to help you enjoy icy beverages and snacks in a snap. If you're someone who loves chewy, crunchy ice or is tired of waiting around for ice trays to fill up, this product is for you. Let's go through all the details together. First off, it's incredibly fast. You can have fresh nugget ice ready in just 6 minutes. That's right, 6 minutes. No more waiting around for hours to fill up a cooler or get your drinks cold. This ice maker produces up to 34 pounds of ice per day, which means you won't run out of ice when you need it most. Now, let's talk about what makes this ice maker extra special. It creates that perfect nugget ice, the soft, chewable, sonic ice that's perfect for everything from cooling your favorite drinks to munching on as a snack. Whether you're making iced coffee, smoothies, or just need ice for your evening refreshment, this ice maker delivers a satisfying texture that won't hurt your mouth or hands. Despite all this power, it's super compact and portable. It's got a sturdy handle for easy transport, and its small footprint makes it perfect for any setting, whether it's your home, office, RV, or even a party. And it's so easy to use, just fill the tank with water, press a button, and you're good to go. Now, here's something really cool. This ice maker has an auto-cleaning feature. After every batch of ice, you can simply press a button, and the machine will clean itself for 15 minutes, ensuring you always have fresh and clean ice ready to go. It also has indicators that tell you when the ice is full or when you need to add water. And the top cover is removable for easy, thorough cleaning. And let me tell you, this thing is quiet. It runs at under 50 dB, which is about the sound of a normal conversation. So, whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping, you won't even notice it's running. Plus, it's energy efficient, using just 3 kilowatt-hours a day. It's gentle on your electricity bill while still giving you all the ice you need. The best part? This nugget ice maker is ETL certified, meaning it's safe for use. You're getting a high-quality product, and there's a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. EUHOMY has you covered with excellent customer support, too, in case you have any questions or need assistance. So, if you're ready to enjoy ice on demand, whether for parties, home use, or camping, you can find the link to this fantastic ice maker in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video so that every new product review reaches you in time. Hit the notification bell so you're always the first to know about the latest gadgets and essentials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool.